everyone, this is Nothing Crochet. Been back to Michael's. Today they had their 30% off of all merchandise sale going. And also the yarn was buy one get one for 50% off, but whichever one I guess gave you the most money off, that's the sale that they would use, I think. Or is that the regular yarn? I don't know. Anyway, see like that. All I did was get repeats of stuff that I'd already gotten, where I had gotten like one ball and decided I wanted two. I just went back and got a copy. So I already got one ball of this, so this makes two. Oops, upside down. Cozy Heathered, 51 yards. And it was $3 off of that with the 30% off. And let's see. It's a super bulky. Requires an 8mm hook. US 11. And I'm trying to see the... Oh, that's pretty simple. Black. And I got another gray, same specifications as the black. And I got another Cozy Sherpa, 93 yards. Let's see. Classified as number 6, 8mm, US 11. That's my second one of these. And I got something different. Macrame cord. Doesn't look like the macrame cord that I used to do. I used to do 6mm. But yeah, I can work with it. I've got ideas about putting this in my cubby as a curtain. Got one of them. Two of them. And that's it for that. The color is tan. 82 yards. This is classified as a 7. That's a pretty skinny 7, but okie dokie. Let's see. It's a greenery macrame wall hanging. Back. Okay, I used to do macrame a little more intricate than that, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. My second anniversary cake. Second was high. I didn't have any vouchers or coupons for it, but with the 30% off, it was $27. I can live with that. Yeah, my blue and my purple. So, unless they have a gigantic sale, this is probably it. But we'll see. Push that back, you can see everything. Put that down. There you go. That's my haul for today. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you're on the fence about subscribing, please leave a like. Your feedback is very important to me. You can leave a comment. As long as you're respectful, I'll be respectful right back. You all keep sweet. God bless. Hugs and peace out.